In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate in Canva. If you've ever created a presentation slide, a social media post, or any graphic in Canva and felt like it looked a little too still or flat, animation can be a really simple way to make it feel more polished and engaging. The good news is that Canva makes this process very beginner friendly, so you don't need advanced editing skills to get started. First, make sure you're working inside an actual Canva project. This is important because the animation controls only appear once a design is open in the editor. From the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and choose the format you want, like a presentation or social media post. If you already have a project saved, you can simply open that instead. Once it loads, you'll be inside the main editing workspace and ready to animate. Next, decide what you want to animate. If you only want movement on one part of the design, such as a title, an icon, or an image, click directly on that element so it becomes selected. You'll know it's active when you can see its outline. If you want the animation to affect the whole page instead of just one object, click on a blank area of the canvas background. That tells Canva you want to work with the page as a whole. With your element or page selected, go to the toolbar at the top and click Animate. This opens Canva's animation panel where you can browse the available motion styles. You'll see a variety of options, and as you hover over them, Canva gives you a live preview right on the design. This is really useful because you can quickly test how each effect feels before committing to one. When you find an animation you like, click it to apply it. After that, take a moment to adjust the settings if they're available. Depending on the effect, you may be able to change the speed or duration, which helps you control how fast or slow the movement feels. Some animations also let you change the direction, so you can guide the motion in a way that fits your design better. A good tip here is to keep the movement subtle unless you want a dramatic effect. Finally, look through the panel for timing options like having the animation happen on enter, on exit, or both. If you're working with multiple pages and want the same animation style throughout, use the option to apply it to all pages. Once everything looks right, click Share or Download in the top right. Choose MP4 video as the file type and download your animated design. That's it. Thanks for watching.